Member List Overview. Once logged in, a clean, simplistic interface can be viewed. Features will be activated according to your business needs. This will have an impact on the first screen you see. For example, the notification feature or the members list. In this case, notifications is turned on and is the first feature you will see. By clicking on the members button, you can view the members list. This is all the active members created on your database. A default order list can be set. For each company, it can be set to last edit date, next birthday, created date, name or surname. This member list is ideal for actions you wish to apply for a specific member. This could be anything from viewing or editing a member, sending a single message, email, making a note, and so much more. The easiest way to find a specific member is to enter some of their details in the search bar on the top of the page. In the search bar, a member can be searched on any of these fields: name, surname, email address, cell number, ID number, or a custom field according to the setup. Notice that as soon as the details are entered in the search bar, the searched total will be adjusted according to matched details found. The count is the total number of active members. A member's full details can be viewed by double-clicking on any member. To add a new member, click on the plus sign and complete the information step by step. By clicking on this button, the Advanced Members list opens up. This is ideal to apply actions to more than one member, but more info about that on a later training video. Let's look at some more features. If you click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right, the following options are available. If you wish to send a bulk email or SMS to your entire database, or to view a list of all the notes made, do so here. Validate data enables a user to have a quick view of members' data that might be incorrect. The red exclamation mark next to the field means this specific field for this specific member requires attention. By double-clicking on a member's profile can then be edited. This list can then be refreshed to see if your amendments made a difference. The entire deactivated members list can be viewed here. And finally, to send a WhatsApp to a cell number, click here.